Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Iqmal Al Ramzani, class 1D.
Where you from?
From home,
Oh, where in from?
in Sukabumi, Bandar Lampung.
Is so far, is it far from her?
Yeah, bit far.
That's pretty near. I guess. How long does it take by bicycle from here?
About 20 minutes.
Oh, really? So how do you usually go?
I read motorbike.
Oh, I see. How long does I take by motorbike?
Approximately 50 minutes.
Wow, that's a pretty short time.
Of course, away.
Are are there any interesting tourist destination in Baguio?
Uh, of course, there is tourism there.
Oh, what can tourism see and do you there?
Lots of tourism visit the five from the top the in mountain.
Oh, really? That's interesting. How long does I take by train from here?
Don't take in train.
Um, and how long does I take by bus or car or motorbike or plane from your house?
My motorbike about 20 minutes.
Maybe I go three sometimes. Are three any other interesting places?
Of course, there is.
Oh, is it far from here?
For now,
How long does I take by bus?
about 4 hours.
Okay,